It's so much safer to be risky. That's where the sweet spot is. That's where you make things happen. There's a real boldness and a genius when you go after that crazy idea. We are a design manufacturing house. We design and manufacture for the global automotive industry. We create design ideas that are the niche, cool things that people haven't thought of yet for a vehicle. Every 5 years, a vehicle renews, and we're there on the doorstep with cool ideas for that demographic. 25 years ago, when I began the company, everyone told me why you could never supply the automotive industry from Nova Scotia. My advantage? I didn't know the difference. So I just went ahead and decided I would figure out how to make it happen, build a team of people. So after 25 years of living outside of that box, we now ship all over the world.